Hi guys, let's eat peeler. But I already opened it. Sorry guys. This is it. This is it. And look at our food. Madami no? Ay, this your menu. Guys, I'm eating this now. It's yummy. Let's go buy it at 7-Eleven. Let's try this.
Wala talaga makakatalo sa chicken nuggets ng McDo. Wala makakatalo dyan.
Nagbibideo ako. Sorry guys, I just ate and burger. And I'm eating candy. That's right.
Wala talagang makakatalo sa chicken nuggets ng McDo. McNuggets.
Daddy, hindi ko matanggaw. Kaya, hindi tanggaw. Nagbibideo ka.
Mga 15 days lang ulit, nakakapag na ulit.
15!
Hintay na kayo lagi. Meron din tayo.
Silipan ko lang si Inay.
Oh my God. Sorry.
Pag walang pera kami ni Daddy.
Time is taking a lot. Bibideo ako. Look at Mada. Rumade. Rumaded. I'm trying. I think I eat too much fries. Wait. Let's eat this. It's almost finished. Finally, we can eat this. Good. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye, this. This is so yummy. Please buy this.